Hey buddy, welcome back to the channel. First of all, I'd like to thank all the new subscribers that have come in within the last month. We've gotten quite a few to the lawn for the lawn service and landscaping content. But one of the things I've kind of found out and come across is that even though lawn maintenance, landscaping, and gardening, and so it's all green, it's not interconnected. A lot of people don't really like the two. So I figured, they may like one, they don't like the other. And so I figured what I'd do is, just to make it simple for everybody, I'd go ahead and I started a separate lawn service channel. And so I'll put a link to the description below. And that way you guys can go check it out. All the people that have come here for those kind of videos, just head on over there and subscribe. You can stay here if you like the gardening, and I'm going to be doing a lot more of that. I'll get to that in another video. I just wanted this one to be short and sweet. Just let you guys know I have another channel. I'm going to be migrating the lawn and landscape videos over to there. Got a lot of content to put on that thing. And so yeah, I hope to see you there, and maybe even hope to see you here. But whatever the case may be, I really appreciate you guys hanging there and watching, especially after the long hiatus, if you're some of the original garden people. So appreciate it. See y'all in the next video.